In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Figma Font Helper desktop app and effectively access local fonts within your Figma projects. If you've ever wanted to enhance your design projects using a variety of local fonts, then this guide is exactly what you need to get started. First, let's focus on installing the Figma Font Helper desktop application. This is a crucial step because it allows you to access those beautiful local fonts stored on your computer directly within Figma. To get started, you'll need to download the font helper from Figma's official website. Make sure to choose the right download for your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once you've downloaded the installer, locate the file in your Downloads folder and run it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, and within a few minutes, you should have the Font Helper app ready to go. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to complete it correctly so you can utilize all your local fonts without a hitch. Now that you have the Font Helper installed, let's turn our attention to Figma itself. Open up Figma in your browser, preferably using Google Chrome, as it provides a smooth and compatible experience. Once Figma is open, go ahead and refresh the page. This step is vital because it allows Figma to load the new fonts you've just made available via the Font Helper. Refreshing ensures everything syncs correctly, and you'll then be able to access all your local fonts within the app. For those working in teams and want to share custom fonts with your organization, there's an additional step. If you have the necessary permissions, go into your organization settings within Figma. Here, you can upload custom fonts so that everyone on your team has access to them. This functionality is excellent for ensuring consistency across collaborative projects and helps maintain a cohesive design language across your team's work. Remember, to perform this action, you may need appropriate permissions or roles within your team set up in Figma. Once everything is set up, the exciting part begins, applying those fonts to your designs. In Figma, navigate to the text panel where you'll see a drop-down menu of available fonts, which should now include all those installed locally on your computer. Select any of the newly available fonts and apply them to your text layers just like you normally would with web fonts. This capability opens up a world of creativity, allowing you to tailor typography to meet your project's exact needs, whether you're designing a logo, a website, or an app interface. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily enrich your Figma projects with your favorite local fonts, offering a custom touch to all your design